pretty good spot. There's just always traffic, and it's got these corners. It's a good chicane, but there's side traffic. It could be a sick spot if it was out in the middle of nowhere. That's what they say. There it goes. We really have shit a hard time. That's what they say. There it goes. We really have shit a hard time. We'll be fucked up from that. That hurt. We'll be fucked up from that. Yeah, I think, I don't know what, I slipped out on something.
Yeah, it looks like you lost control over it,
Nice bite. If you could just help me stand it up real quick. I just fell.
You okay?
I might make it out. If you could just help me stand it up. Oh man, I just want to get out the road real quick. Somebody's gonna come tearing around this corner.
Yep.
It might get easier if you turn around.
No, we got it.
What'd you do? Take it too fast?
I don't even know. The back end just slipped out. It's got traction control and everything. I just want to get out the road.
I understand.
Fuck, man. My bike is brand new.
Well, the main thing is you, man. We can fix
I slid a little. I'm gonna have a concussion.
We can fix that.
Yeah.
So what you gonna do, man?
I'm gonna see. I gotta. I'm trying to make sure I ain't too concussed to ride back. I don't think anything's broke. There's coolant though.
You hit your head?
Oh, I'm gonna have a concussion.
Well, you do got some scrapes on your helmet, so
yeah.
You did slide on it.
Oh, I'm gonna have a concussion for sure. I pick up concussions easy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to ride home. My damn coolant's coming out.
Well, yeah, you got your
my brakes. Yeah, I got rear
master
though.
cylinder's gone. That's what it is. Your brakes are gone.
That's coolant.
That's yeah.
Fuck my bike, man.
All right, so this. Do you have a family member, like you're saying, a family member?
Yeah, I could get my father.
Welcome to park it in my driveway, first driveway on the left up here, out of the way, if somebody can come get you.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
This morning at church, I've got to be there.
You're good, man.
So,
I'll make it out. I got somebody to come get me. I just
do me a favor. Hang around a little while, sir.
I got my kids.
Yeah, let me get that. I don't think she's going.
Yeah, I think you're going to walk, man. Here, I can push you. I can push you. Got it.
Yeah, let me get.
You got a beeper?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to it. There we go. Hey, hold on. Let me.
Are you okay that for me to walk?
Yeah, yeah.
You ain't got anything anywhere else? I'm very reluctant to leave you.
I really think I'm all right. I'm just gonna have a concussion.